everyone, my name is Livia and this is my channel, The Sought After. Well, I hope you are looking for something in life because I definitely do. So if you see my previous videos, most of they are about London, but I decided that when I'm gonna be traveling or seeing other places, I'm gonna post a little video also about my little adventures. So at the moment I am in Frankfurt and I wanted to show you this amazing place where I'm staying at the moment. So this is a hotel called Savoy Hotel, very posh, I know, but watch me, dressing in the blue dress and looking posh. I'm not posh at all. But I just wanted to show you that this is a great experience and the hotel is very nice, high standard. You can buy your ticket, obviously, online ticket. I mean, book the rooms. And the rooms are amazing also. So I stayed there in this hotel at the moment just one night, and then I'm staying tonight here too. So altogether 2 nights. Very close to the train station. So just 5 minutes walking distance from the train, and it's so handy because you come here, you're tired, you want to find a place. So obviously this is, I think, the best. The room is very nicely equipped. There are a lot of things which which makes you feel comfortable. For example, there is an aircon, also great views. There's a mini bar, and then you can actually have a bath, because in the bathroom there's like a bathtub. So I had like a one and a half hour bath today in the morning, which was amazing. And everything is nice and clear and clean. The cleaning ladies come every day to clean the rooms, putting clean towels. And I really like that actually it's nicely organized because of the COVID. We still need to be careful. So at the moment there is, for example, a gym. There are some nice restrictions. Also there's a swimming pool on the 9th floor, which you have to pay 450 euros if you want to go for swimming. And there are actually at the moment only 6 people allowed, which is really great and secure. So you can easily go and swim, and actually that's what I'm going to do later on. I'm going to try the swimming pool. And also, yeah, it's just great. It has like a really nice energy, this place. So I really enjoyed it. I talked to the manager, and her name is, let me check, Miss Oakla. So she's from Mexico. She got married, she moved here, and then her husband's family had this hotel already since the 70s. So it's like, from generation to generation, which is really great. And then basically Mrs. Oakla has been here already working 35 years, she told me. So obviously the COVID impacted the hotel industry and any catering industry and hospitality quite badly. But still, they did not close during the COVID times, but they put up quite a lot of, cautious restrictions, so say it, because they wanted to be making sure that the staff and also the people who are coming to stay in the hotel, they are secure. And obviously it is unnecessary to put up all these, health and safety regulations, and yeah, it is useful and helpful. So hopefully people, they're gonna like my little video and will come and stay in this hotel. And it's gonna be much better and better with the time, because now the COVID is easing, the virus is not that critical, the situation, but we still need to be careful. So everybody, mask is a must, because we have to be mindful about the other people also. So it's not just about us, but the rest of the world, right? And that is spreading quite fast, so just be careful and always wash your hands. Everybody say hygiene is the must in this situation, and just avoiding crowded places, I guess, and always wearing masks. Here I think even they told me that in the train and underground is compulsory and everywhere in closed places, and you can get fined, I think, 50 euros if you don't wear your masks. So just be mindful. And as I said, the room is amazing. There is an aircon, mini bar. Also you can just use the facilities as the gym, the swimming pool, and you can have breakfast in the morning, which is really great. At the moment what they put up as a safety measure is that you don't actually choose by hand your meal from the minibar, but there's a person, one of the staff, who is, when you point at the little dish what you would like to have, the little food, then they're gonna be putting it on your plate. So just to avoid any kind of contact. So it is great. So I'm telling you, it's safe. Come and visit. come and have a look around in Frankfurt because it's beautiful. Try the Frankfurt sausages, I did try, it's very nice. And then just have fun, you know. Life is beautiful. Make sure you spread that love, and you know, my message is for everybody. Just be happy, and you know, if you're happy, then you can make the other people happy too. So all the best and God bless. Bye.